everybody. Myself Jyoti Vashist from Suraj School, Reddy. Today we are going to discuss the topic solenoid. Solenoid is a cylindrical device insulated with copper wire. Suppose it is a cylindrical device. If we insulate the copper wire around it, then it is known as solenoid. Like this. It is a cylindrical device and we insulate copper wire around it. It is solenoid. And if we connect these wire with a battery and to control the circuit, a key also. And when we switch on the key, then current passes through the wire. And we know the magnetic effect of electric current. When current passes through the wire, it produces a magnetic effect around it. So when current passes through the solenoid, then it produces a magnetic effect around it, and then it behaves like a magnet. The magnetic effect around it, the magnetic field around the solenoid is like this. These are the magnetic field lines around the solenoid. Now, look here carefully that from here, positive terminal current starts, and in this phase of the solenoid, the current enters like this way. It is a clockwise direction. So the face of the loop, face of the coil from where clockwise direction current enters is south pole of the magnet, and the other one is north pole. So it is the south pole of the solenoid and that is the north pole of the solenoid, because from this face current enters in clockwise direction. That's why it is south pole. We can find out the poles of the solenoid with the help of a bar magnet also. Suppose we don't know the poles of the solenoid here. We take a bar magnet. Bar magnet is a permanent rectangular shaped magnet. On the bar magnet, north pole and south pole indicates. So if we bring the bar magnet, if we bring the north pole of the bar magnet near the solenoid, and we see that if there is a attraction force between the solenoid and the bar magnet, then it is the north pole of the bar magnet, then definitely it will be the south pole of the solenoid and other one will be the north pole. And if we bring the south pole of the bar magnet near the solenoid, then we see that if there is a repulsion or attraction between the solenoid, then if there is a repulsion, then definitely it will be the south pole of the solenoid and other one will be the north pole. So it is the south pole and it is the north pole. So there are two ways to find out the poles of the solenoid. That one is the direction, by the direction of the current enters in solenoid, and the second one is with the help of bar magnet. We know that the magnetic field lines direct from north pole to south pole. So it is the north pole, it is the south pole. So the direction is this. Directed from north pole to south pole. Factors affecting magnetic field around the solenoid. Which factors affect the magnetic field around the solenoid? Magnetic field in solenoid is direct proportional to the current. As much we use the more power battery, as such the magnitude of the magnetic field increases. Magnetic field of the solenoid is direct proportional to the number of turns. When we insulate the copper wire around the cylindrical device, then the number of turns affect the magnetic field around the solenoid. As much the number of turns we take, that magnetic field increases. And the magnetic field also increases the nature of material of cylindrical device. If the nature of cylindrical device is magnetic as soft iron, then the magnetic field will be in more amount, will be in more magnitude. And if the cylindrical device is not a magnetic material, then the magnetic field will be in lesser amount, lesser magnitude. Thank you and have a nice day.